there, Crunchified Clean friends. Let's do a little dish soap talk, shall we? First off, dish soap. Dish soap. I can't say it. It's dish soap. Oh, I just did. There you go. It's a tongue twister. So you know how I'm always about use the right product on the right surface, read the labels? Absolutely 1,000%. But there is a product that is pretty much useful anywhere. That's dish soap. Dish soap. There you go. Now, I would not recommend putting dish soap in a water bottle and using it for cleaning mirrors. Not the best solution because it does leave a filmy haze, especially if you use too many drops of dish soap. Can we just call it soap? I'm just sticking to soap. But if you have to clean outdoor windows and they're all full of pollen and dirt and dust and disgustingness, yes, dish soap is great for that because it is made to combat grease and grime and dirt and buildup. So it's made for that. So you can literally put a couple drops of dish soap in a spray bottle with warm water and use it to kind of clean a lot of different surfaces. Spray down counters, spray down sinks. You can even put a couple drops of dish soap in water to mop with. So it is very multi-use. Now, I know a lot of people will say, why are you using dish soap in a tub or in a sink if it's made for dishes? It says dish soap. But that's because you are able to. It's not a product that's going to eat away or erode or ruin your surface. It's literally soap. You just have to wash it off really well. Just like any kind of soap. Rinse it off. And the key is, again, don't use too much. Now, for a bathroom sink that has a lot of caked on soap or toothpaste buildup or gunk, yeah, I like to slather it up with that soap and give it a good scrub down, but I'm going to wash it off. It's a sink. It's made to have a lot of water in it anyway. So I'm going to wash it off. But that's the key. It's the amount that you use. If you're going to have it in a spray bottle, it's just a few drops. Shake it up with water. Use it to spray down a counter if you have like some dried gunk on it. Or use it to spray down a shower. Now, there are some dish soaps that are a lot more powerful than others in the grease cutting action sense. For example, Blue Dawn, that's like the GOAT when it comes to grease cutting. Anyone remember the Exxon Valdez spill back in the 90s and they used like Dawn dish soap to take the oil off of the ducts, and it works because it's made to cut grease. Whatever the ingredients are in Blue Dawn, it works really well for grease cutting. And guess what's on our body when you take a shower? Grease, oil, dirt, grime, and it can build up in a tub or in a glass shower, and that's where you use some Blue Dawn, some water. You can add some vinegar. We call it Doniger in the cleaning world, and it works great. But again, nearly any kind of dish soap will do the same job. But Palmolive is good. 7th Generation is good. Lots of dish soap are good to begin with. I do not like dish soap from the dollar store. Those tend to be more watered down. You know, sometimes you pay for quality, and when you buy cheap, you get cheaper quality. So dollar store, cheaper brands dish soap always tend to be more watered down. And I don't feel like they do as good as a job as washing dishes or for cleaning as a commercial brand would, like a 7th Generation or a Dawn or a Palmolive or an Ajax. But when it comes to dish soap, I would say stick with the name brands that do have more grease cutting power, more soapy cleansing power. I like 7th Generation. I also like Palmolive. If you like Dawn, go with Dawn. There's also a lot of companies that make dish soap that do not have color. They're clear, so there's no artificial dye. Those are all great. I say go with the quality. If it's a couple bucks more, pay a couple bucks more. You'll get better bang for your buck. You'll get better quality in cleaning. And it's multi-use. You can use it for a lot of different things. That's my Crunchified Clean tip of the day. Follow along for more eco-oily cleaning tips and tricks. If you like this video, show me some love, like, heart, share, comment, because it will help the algorithm know that you are a human and I'm a human, and we're just two humans connecting. And hopefully I can get more views and help more people with cleaning tips. And subscribe to my channel to see when I drop a new video. Oh, and follow along on TikTok, Instagram, my YouTube channel, my website, crunchycleaningbycathy.com, and on Facebook, Crunchy Cleaning by Cathy.